Hi friends, you need a wonderful website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a wisely selected WordPress theme. WP Themes channel brings all the handpicked WordPress themes for you. I'm showing you some example of perfect food delivery websites, and if you are willing to make a website for food delivery or nutrition related services, this video is for you, and this is going to be really helpful for you if you are in plan for making a website in food delivery or health related services. So I have a wonderful website WordPress theme called Fitmeal, and in this video we are going to illustrate the WordPress theme called Fitmeal, and Fitmeal is a healthy food delivery and diet nutrition WordPress theme. Fitmeal has been developed by Like Themes, and Like Themes are elite authors. The theme came into existence in 2019 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. It is a perfect theme for food delivery, healthy food, fitness diet, organic food store, courier services, nutritionist, health coach, health diet, fitness meal, smoothie bar, business lunch delivery, and all such category. So if you are looking for a wonderful WordPress theme in such category and in plan for making a website in this category, this is going to be a perfect choice for you, and it is really a good catch at edge. Fitmeal offers all the desired features that you need for your professional website. So if we are talking about the demo website, these are some demo website, and it is presenting the content in a very professional manner. Parallax effect is here, and you have multiple choice to choose with. So multiple layouts, pre-made websites are available, and it is a perfect theme for food and related services. So we have many choices, and I'm going to add the link of these demo websites in a form of a single link where you can get this Fitmeal theme as well and hosting plans for your website. So everything is available. Just follow the link given in the description, and I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, please do subscribe. I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress theme, plugins and utilities for you. And Fitmeal offers multiple layouts, as I told you, so you can choose any of the available layouts for your website. So in this video we are going to install Fitmeal WordPress theme. We will completely illustrate the theme features and the theme options along with the installation process and demo content import. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and it is running 2021 WordPress theme on a latest version of WordPress, that is 5.8.1, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, some plugins has been additionally provided, that is Visual Composer, the main theme file and the child theme file is here, and we shall be using these files for our installation in this video only. So at the end of this video we will be ready with a demo website, and that you can use for your content using and content process. So to install the Fitmeal WordPress theme, we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress installation. I assume you have already installed the WordPress at your domain, at your hosting, that is already available with you, and if not, you may please follow the link given in the description. You can choose to have an hosting plan, a domain and all such things for your ready website, and you can get a pre-installed theme in the hosting. And I am starting with the pre-installed WordPress, and we are going to install the Fitmeal theme on it. Go to the theme section and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose fitmeal.zip file. Remember, the file name is fitmeal.zip. Don't upload the complete folder, it is very common mistake being done by people. And if you are having direct access on your server, that is on file manager, or you are having FTP access, you can directly upload the same to the WP content themes folder. It is an easier method if you are having direct access. I am going to use the same method. However, both processes are same, so you can use any for uploading the theme. I just wish to show you the theme file size. It is just 2.56 MB, which is really an indication of great WordPress theme, well optimized WordPress theme, and it is having very least file size, and this is why it is going to work very fast on your website. And the speed is the key factor for success of any website nowadays, so you are going to get an advantage of speed with the Fitmeal WordPress theme. Okay, so now once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Fitmeal folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here, and now we can delete the zip one. It is not required, we have already extracted it. And I tell you again, you can use both the process of uploading theme. Either you can use the WordPress interface, or you can directly upload in the file manager. So resultant would be same in both of the cases. And now, since we have uploaded and extracted the uploaded theme, we can go back to the themes, and we have Fitmeal as another theme option with us along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Fitmeal version 1.2.7, and Fitmeal is a WordPress theme created for health food delivery and shops. So this is being a common introduction, and we can now activate the theme. Upon activation, we got landed on alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to utilize the complete functionalities of theme. Let us go to the plugin installation screen, and 3 plugins has been marked as required. And this theme, I must tell you, uses Unison framework. That is really a wonderful, technically wonderful framework for WordPress themes, and LT extension is already developed by the original developer itself, and it is for theme functionality. WP Bakery Page Builder is being used for page builder activity, and next things are recommended. However, this is going to be a store website most likely, so WooCommerce is here, and user profile, picture, events, calendar, post review, counter, MailChimp for WordPress, etc. plugins has been given. And I am going to install all 11 plugins, I mean all required and recommended plugins that has been given with the theme pack and recommended by the theme developer, and I'm going to install all plugins in one go. And again, if you are not confident about your server capacity, don't install the plugins in one go. Just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process, because a server is the key factor for running such tasks, and your server should be adequate. And if you are taking the theme Fitmeal by following the link given in the description along with the hosting plan, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. So you can see all 11 plugins got installed within just few seconds, and it is showing all successful. And we can go back to the installer screen too, and now it is time to activate all the installed plugins. That also can be done in a single click. So it is very simple, and activate and apply. Okay, it may take a bit time, but it is good. And yes, so all plugins has been successfully installed and activated as well. Simply click on dashboard whether WooCommerce may need certain information, and we need to fulfill that requirement as well for completing the WooCommerce. However, it is not asking. And okay, so now after clicking on dashboard, we got landed on a system check page. That is very important page. So it is showing all the necessities that is required for installing and importing the demo and running the theme, and it is showing the green and red marks. So it is showing WordPress version, PHP version, PHP multi by extension, and PHP zip module, Unison framework, and it is saying Unison backup extension is yet not installed, and yes, we can install it, and rest things should be very green. So remember, it should be all green, and if it is not, you can change the parameters at your PHP INI and PHP settings using your cPanel, and without making all it green you cannot move ahead. So just remember, you have to keep in mind. And again, if you need any technical assistance regarding this, you can ping us very easily. We try our level best to answer all queries of our visitors, so don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can directly ping us through our website, and services tab is there, so you can avail any of the available services there. Okay, so it is simply saying Unison backup extension is not installed, and we can install it in under Unison menu, and I'm clicking on Unison first. Okay, and backup and demo content is active extension is here, so I don't know why it is showing. So backup extension is here. Again, I am clicking on dashboard and like themes, and it is okay. So it was just a wrong update, and now it is all green. So simply it should be green. So our end objective is to make green. So now, since we have installed the plugins along with the theme, we can take a look of our website, how it looks without any content, what is the core look of Fitmeal WordPress theme at this stage. And if you are in plan for making a website scratch with your own design, that means if you want to use your own blocks on wireframe, so you can start building your website from scratch from here, and you shall be getting all the features that are available in the theme and coming with the plugins. So it is up to you, but WordPress is mostly known for the pre-made website, and we are targeting any of these websites in this video. So we are going to import the demo content, and this any can be our target website. So we are going to make a demo website using Fitmeal WordPress theme, and for this we have to import the demo content at this stage. So since it is this theme uses Unison, so Unison brings a wonderful options under tools, that is demo content install. So it is a really very effective and important tool to import the demo websites. And okay, so somehow a screenshot is not coming. I will just refresh the page. However, a screenshot is not so important. And okay, so API setting key, and to get a start WordPress page internal MailChimp. Okay, so it is for MailChimp, it is not exactly required for importing the demo. And we have an option to import the demo under the tools section, and import demo content install option is here, and we can simply click on install here. And since it is a fresh website, we can bring all the content. And yes, so demo content import process has begun now, and screen is showing what is going in the background. And Unison is, as I said, Unison is really a wonderful framework for WordPress, and it works very fine. And especially in the importing the demo content, it has no alternative, so it is very effective. And you may encounter an error during the demo import process, and it is only because your server configuration and PHP values. So you have to take care of all those things. And if you are new in the WordPress development and you are making the WordPress website at very first time, so I will recommend you to check with our plan, that is hosting plan, along with the theme that comes in a pre-installed and theme and demo as you choose. So it is going to be really helpful and easy for you to start your website in just few hours. So it is all for you. And Unison downloads all the of media files and necessary items from the developer server, and it all depends on your internet speed, your server capacity, developer server capacity. So it is going to take time. Don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button at this stage. Just wait and watch until you get any message on this screen. So it is showing downloading is going on, and out of 50 MB 46 MB has been downloaded as of now. We have to wait with our due patience, and now downloading has completed and database restoration is going on. And yes, so it is image size restore process is started, and it is going to take time, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, so we have to wait. And there are 213 images has been provided in the demo content, and Unison is going to resize all these images. And yes, it is taking time, but it is a necessary process for importing the demo content. And the best part of Unison is that it never gets fade, and it brings all the content in the specified manner that is required for your website. So it is pretty good tool, and it is helpful as well. So just wait until it is showing the success screen. And just in case it is not in my case, but in your case, you may encounter an error like response 500 errors and request timeout errors. So you just need to repeat the process, and meanwhile while it is importing, you can open the media, a new tab, just in case. And just if you want to check what is going on, okay, so database update is required here, so I'm not going to disturb it because it is already going on, and I cannot database update the database while import is going on. I'll show you the media items. And okay, so it is 54 as of now, and we have to wait for 213. And now it is showing 204 out of 213, and it took around 10 minutes in my case. As I told you, it all depends on your internet speed. So I'm using 100 Mbps speed and my hosting, as I told you. So this is a simple reseller hosting, and it works well. However, so it took around 10 minutes. So be ready for this time span, and you shall be getting the same response, I believe. And again, it is multi-factor dependent, and a screen will redirect you to the new website after this, as I have seen in my experience. So it is 209, and yes, it is going on still. And 211 now. Again, it is taking some extra minutes. And yes, so it is complete now, and it is being redirected now. So this is what the beauty of Unison import process. And we are going to okay, great, so we have a complete website like a demo website. So it is completely new website with all features, and we got all the media files as well. And yes, we can click on this now. Okay, and I'll show you how number of media files we got in this. So we got 220 media items here. It is really amazing. So we got 220 media items in our case, and all images has been provided, and it needs a WooCommerce database update as well. So it can be simply done by clicking on the links, respective links, if you get same alert. So I was saying we got a complete new website with all the pages that is required, and I will simply click on the shop page to check the functionality, whether all things are working fine or not. So it got loaded in just few seconds, and I'll check the complete WooCommerce segment, and add to cart option has been added to cart, and checkout option is here, and you can view cart, and checkout option is here. Okay, so it is simple but very effective, and all things are working fine, and we can check the pages as well. So team page can be checked. Yes, wonderful. And the best thing is that we got all the pre-made website directly at our installation, so we can choose any of these available pre-made websites, and all got imported in a single import system, and everything is ready. Just you need to put your own content. And I must tell you, if you are using any specific landing page or home page out of this, like I assume you are going to use any of these, so just delete the rest demo pages, like going in pages, all pages, because don't keep any additional things that is not related to your website. This is a very fundamental activity that generally people and developers ignore, and it got indexed in the Google rankings. That is unwanted pages that is not connected directly, not concerned to your website, and that is very poor impression for your website. So I must tell you, just delete all the pages that you are not using, and but just keep in mind, you should not delete the pages that is actually going to be used. And this can be done once your website gets complete. You put all the content, all the features, you check all the features, and just move to trans first and check the complete website. If everything is working fine, then you can finally delete the pages, extra pages. I am talking about the extra pages, so which you are not using, like 4 home pages, 5 home pages are here, and if you are using the current page, so just delete the rest of 4 pages. Don't keep any extra items at your installation. This is a very important tip, and yes, you have to follow this if you really want to have a suitable content indexed on the Google's or search engine. So it is important for you. Okay, so we have 37 published pages in the demo installation, and we got complete home pages, 5 home pages as well. So you can simply choose any of the home pages for your website, and we have completely new website ready for putting our own content, and we can launch our website. If you are having the ready content with you, you can launch your website within few hours only. So this is a great Fitmeal WordPress theme, is perfect theme, and it got proved in this installation. So installation process was very simple, and now I am going to show you the backend. So what we got additional in this installation. So purpose of this video is being to take you through all the features and functionality that you are going to get in the Fitmeal WordPress theme, because before buying this theme you cannot assume what features you are going to get at your website, and you cannot make your buying decision very clearly. So the main objective of this video is to show you all the features and functionalities of this theme, and along with the installation process. Okay, so now I will click on only those items that came additionally in this installation, like themes is additional, and this is the welcome page of like themes. We have already seen this, and theme setting is here, and this is, I believe, the main control panel. So it is Fitmeal control panel, and it is showing logo and media general settings. So theme header, page loader, and logo and media we can select from here, and fav icon, logo max height, and logo back, and all such things can be added from this screen. And header is here, so nav bar, top bar, icon and elements, page header, and I'll show you rest of part as well. So simply I'm showing you what is available in the page headers and all. So okay, so footer portion is here, header portion is here, so you can change the header portions, and you can edit the content as well. And footer is here, so you can choose the options whatever you need at your website: post layout, fonts, social connection, and color schemes. So you can add your custom color schemes as well. Okay, so next is so So we have seen the options, theme options available, and next is services and testimonials are new. So I'll show you both these things, so services and testimonials as well. So you can use these pages for adding testimonials, and there are already some pages has been used as testimonials, so you can edit the existing one and or use add new one as you required. So service, okay, so we have now services is similar thing, so we can check the services as well. You can add new services or edit the existing one. This is being a services page, and it is simple like blog, but there is a separate section to handle these sections in the website. Okay, so it is good, and I believe now we shall proceed towards next. Sliders has been shown, and okay, so sliders has been used, so we can check the sliders as well. This is nutritionist 1 and slide 1, slide 2, so this is for sliders. Okay, so you can use the sliders or you can edit the sliders wherever it has been used at the website. Okay, great, so fine. And next is, so sliders we have already checked, and gallery has been given, and galleries has been used at the website like drinks and all such things. So I'll show you galleries. Similarly, you can add the galleries wherever required, and it is also very important. So all sections has been given separately to control your website. This is why the theme panel is having less options, because all things has been given. So like themes is also available in a separate menu, and you can use the theme showcase as well. So yes, so this is the theme feature, and okay, theme we have seen, and rest of things are as common as in WordPress. And okay, so you might have a simple question where to put the logo, and now it comes to site identity sections, and yes, here you can put some of the settings, and I will show you where to edit the logo and top bar. Okay, and the logo and media option is here in general setting. It is just a simple thing I have already shown you, but default logo is being displayed at your website at this moment, and you can simply change it, like this portion can be changed from here, and it is showing default one, and you have to use separate logo like logo black and logo white, and you can even set the height and width as well. Okay, so this is being a simple customization. And finally, if you want to edit the page content, just open the page that you want to edit, and this theme uses WP Bakery Page Builder. Simply click on WP Edit with WP Bakery Page Builder, and before that I will advise you to take a backup of using any duplicator plugin if you are new in the WordPress development. This ensures the restoration of page just in case if you made any mistake, and the slider and rest of sections that you are using can be brought from the backend. And yes, so you can simply click on the pencil icon whatever you want to edit, and just remember, just use the same dimension images and the same length content that has been used in the demo content. It will maintain the integrity of website. That means design will not hampered, and just in case if you should use the same length images, so same dimension images and same length content as well. Like, so if you are changing this image, so use the same dimension image, and you can take reference from the media sections as well. So it is editing with the WP Bakery Composer is always been easy, and you can use the backend editor to make it more simple, and backend editor is more comfortable, at least for me. So zoom slider has been used, so you can edit the slider portion in the zoom slider and zoom effect. And so simply click on the slider settings and navigation attribute design options are here, and sliders you can use from here. So okay, and it is very simple. You can even remove or add the section that you don't want to use on your page. And if you have any further question, so don't hesitate in asking any question. We will be here to support you in your customization as well. So services are available, so you can simply ask questions in the comment section of this video, and you can get the theme and hosting and all such things by following the link given in the description of this video. And yes, so you are going to make a wonderful website using the Fitmeal WordPress theme, I assume. And yeah, we are going to meet in another video that is going to bring another wonderful WordPress theme, utilities or plugin for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.